Ow. Don't do that. Hey, welcome to the Wild Huckleberry. It's me today, not Robbie. He's had a lot of stuff to do this week, so I'm pitching in. But what I'm doing this week is I'm repairing an old lamp. So I'm going to take this old cord out right here, and I have a new little kit I got, and so I'm just going to thread the wire through here. That's a little bit small hole. I'm going to need a wrench or something to loosen the screw down here at the bottom. But I'm going to tape the new wire that I have to this old one to pull it through. It'd be a lot easier. I've been thinking through it so I won't make a goof up. And got some new shade for the lamp. I got that from the home store. And I'm going to spray paint this because I'm not really a fan. It doesn't go with anything in the house with this shabby, not really chic either. But it's just kind of green and I just don't like it. So we're going to change it up. But we're going to see if what I do it makes it look any better. And as we go along, then I've got a bunch of stuff happening this week. We went to the soccer field and watched just a little bit of the kids play. And something went wrong with the camera, so didn't get to watch all of it. Paxton did an awesome job because he was goalie. And that ball came toward him and he nailed it and launched it. I was like, good job, Pax. And he was like, whoa! Oh, he did good. He did good. So, anyways, I got these little pliers right here. And I guess I'm going to need to get that little wrench to open the bottom part of this. So, let me go find that. I'll be right back. I'm back. I had to find some more tools. A little bit more into it than I thought. And this one's so old. It's got a little screw right there you have to loosen. It's not just a screw down and tighten type contraption. So I had to find a little screwdriver that would go there. And it was so old. It was pretty tight. So then I got this little rascal to help me do all that. So I got it started. So now I'm just going to unscrew that. Oops, didn't dig. Don't lose it. Don't want one little baby to find it. Okay. I'm seeing this right here. See if I can come from the top. Make it turn. Well, how big it's gonna go.
Would you mind taking something over to Pat Nova's for me?
There's my mother. That's our little homemade intercom system. We have little walkie-talkies. Okay. We'll have to figure this out. Let me go find some more tools. I'll be back in just a minute. So I got some tape. I got the wire. Let's see. All right, there's the end of it. So it's kind of a tall end. I'll tape this end to this end right here that I've cut. So hopefully, oh, yeah. It'll go through there well, without a lot of problems. Let me see if I can even push it in there with both of them first. Okay, it'll go through there. Hopefully it'll go through there with the tape on it now. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. No, not too much. Well, okay. Oh, you came out. That didn't work. Oh, man. Okay. I gotta get the tape off. Alright, I might have just been overthinking it. So we're just gonna see if we can just push it on through. It's a straight line. It's going. I think it's gonna work. Okay, it's gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna take this outside real quick. I'm gonna show you the colors I got. Where'd I put it? I got some chiffon cream chalk paint. So it's just a creamy color right there. I'm gonna put that on there first. And then I'm gonna put this gingham color on there. We'll see how that looks. I have no idea. I might buff it, sand it just a little bit so you can see the cream come out on it. I don't know. This is just trial and error type thing, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay. Hey, so I painted it. It is finally dry, mostly dry, not all the way dry. I got a little paint on my finger. So now, I'm gonna get this little cloth here on my leg. So maybe I won't get any more paint on me. It was making a mess. Alright, and so down here in the little bottom, I'm gonna thread that through and hopefully it comes out. Oh, there it goes! Yay! I did it! I did it! Okay, so it came out the top. Okay. Now, this part is supposed to go in there. You see that? It's got little threads in there. It's supposed to screw in right here where this one is. And I'm trying to make this one come out. But it's not doing it. Don't know where I put it. Okay, give me just a minute. I gotta go find it. Okay, back. So, I took the bottom off of it, and so that's what it looks like inside when you pull it out a little bit right there. So you'll put the connectors in those little parts right there, wrap around a little bit. And so you have to pull it apart. Just a smidge, okay? Makes it easier to thread those wires in there. Where's my little hand? Hold on, just a second. So, loosen it up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's how that goes. That's what my daddy told me. Okay. Okay. It's all nice and snug. All right. Okay. Trying to take it out, this bottom part earlier, because I thought I could unscrew it. Well, it's a little bent. My bad. Got it. Ta-da. Okay, let me pull it straight down here a little bit tighter. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I didn't realize when I got the lampshades. Oh, come on. It's really on there. Well, okay. It's a little different than my curtains. I thought it was going to be just like my curtains. But it's different, so yay. I didn't do bad. Okay. Okay, so this is the whole lamp. I think it's gonna be okay. I like it. The white I put underneath there hadn't quite dried yet when I put the gingham, that bluish kind of color on there, and so it had a little crackle effect. So that turned out pretty neat. I like that. I like that a lot, so that works out really well. Kids came over today, so we're a little bit later getting our projects done. But I do have a video of PAX at the soccer field. You'll see that here in just a second. I had an issue with the camera, what is that?
SD card.
The little SD card was full, and it wouldn't let me video anymore. So that was frustrating because I told you about Paxton's kick, and it was awesome. But anyways, I hope you like those, and hope everybody has a good day, had a good Sunday, and we'll see you later in the week.
Hello, my name is Paxton, and I'm at soccer field, and I'm gonna start soccer at 10 minutes, and then we're just gonna go and get some apple juice and a muffin, and Mom's gonna get tea, and then we're gonna come back here and do my game, and then when it's not my game, then maybe we'll go to the donut place, and this is where I'm gonna do my soccer game. Yeah, pretty cool, right? It's just so funny. I like it. I really love it. See that big goal right there? Yeah, that is awesome. That's a big goal. And then we got the light to see at night. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.